Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today let's learn how to do this style. And to begin, I washed her hair first to make sure everything is clean, and then I blow dried it. All right, and when you're doing your blow dry, make sure you pay attention to the roots, because sometimes the roots tend to be more harder than the top part. So make sure the root is well smoothened out so that we have an easy time when doing our partings and also when plaiting. So after I was done with the drying, then I went straight to plaiting. But here's a tip, especially if you've ever done the back lines and you find that your last line is finishing at the other end of the ears, okay? You part the middle section first, so that will help you know this side I'm doing how many, if it's 4, the other side 4. All right, so it's gonna help you, and it's also gonna help you know if one side has more volume of hair than the other one. This happens if you're a braider, you know it happens. Like you find one side has more hair, especially the left side. If you're a braider, just confirm this with me in the comment section. It really does happen. So just try to do the middle part first so that you don't get any inconveniences. So far I've done a few lines, and this is what it looks like. And at the back, I'm not going to do the lines up to the end because I noticed that her hair is has a small surface area from the back, so I decided to do a bit of braids, and I'll show you at the end of the video. And for those who are new here, if you don't know anything about stitch lines, there's a detailed video I've done. I can link the link in the description box. Sorry, I'll put up the link in the description box. But here I'm going to show you a little bit of how I do the small 3 strands using a natural hair. And of course, this is a protective style, so that is what I do. But if you do your stitch lines differently, that is up to you. So this is the easiest for me. It takes a little bit of time, yes, but I know the results are good, and this style is very long lasting. So let me show you a close-up of how I do these 3 strands using the inside braiding method. So I separate the hair into 3, then I just take the middle part, put it inside, then the left or the right side, and then I continue like that. And the reason why I like braiding like this way is because this inside cornrows, or this inside style, it really lasts longer. You know, the hair grows going inside, and it's very hard for this hair to pop out. You'll find that she can stay with this hair for even up to a month, and that is why I love braiding like that. So I'll just continue, and then as I was continuing, I noticed one side of her hair has more volume. I wasn't planning on doing the middle triangles, but I had to, because one side of her hair had a lot of volume, and if I continued doing the same, like making the both sides look alike, I would have had a problem with the other side having much bigger lines than this other one. And if you're a braider, you ever encounter this, just let us know in the comment section. This thing is true. I've noticed most of my clients, some of them, one side has a lot of volume and you end up with bigger lines on one side. So yeah, I just decided to do the triangles, and when you're doing the triangles, make them fall on different sides alternately. Okay, so when you're doing one falling on the left side, then the next one should fall on the right side, and vice versa until you reach the end. And that is how you'll be able to achieve this look. So that is what I did. And then when I'm going to fix the hair, I'll make sure that the one triangle is falling on one side, they merge with the nearest line, and same thing with the other side. And if you have any questions, you've not understood anything, please let me know in the comment section so that I can explain it well, or I'll do a separate video about it. But this is the best way I can explain this style for now. So you continue doing your triangles, falling on one side, the other, and this is the final look what you'll get. I know now you understand what I meant. And then now I'll show you finally how it came out. So now I'm adding the hairpiece, And if you don't know how to add the hairpiece for this video, I didn't do a tutorial on that because the client was kind of in a hurry, but I have done another video. You can check a link. I'll put the link in the description box again. You can check the detailed tutorial on how to add braids. All right, and you can see at the back I added a few braids because I told you I didn't want everything to be stuffy back there, because I noticed the surface area was smaller. Okay, so this is the final look, guys. This is how it looks like, and everything came out so neat and beautiful. Anyway, if you're new to this channel, please do not leave without touching that subscribe button, because we keep on learning, we help each other, and see how beautiful this style came out. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like it and also share it.